it. We can't throw the baby out with the bathwater. We have to disaggregate with a very careful scalpel, look at the real issue and not get confused in all the sundries. So my question to you is, what do we do with the sundries for the people who are now going to use this one bad egg, rotten apple, to beat a stick around the court and judicial system? What do we do?
Look, this is not the first time, but the allegations and this kind of scenarios. When a judgment has been come against anyone, we have seen every day there are so many social media persons who has been just after a judiciary by saying that we all know how judiciary works. There are several allegations put by the many persons. So we are talking about, if we are talking about this particular incident, I must say that definitely this is very disheartening being a legal fraternity member of myself, because as rightly says, there is too much discussion over your show till now that how that amount, the money has come to the judge, a high court judge in Delhi, whose house has been guarded by central paramilitary forces, and the judge has been declined by saying that there is no money. He has not seen anything. And the commissioner of police shared a video with the chief justice that money has been burned. And on the other hand, the fire department, chief of fire department says that no, we have not seen any money. So the statements, the evidences, which is only a video till now, and I have heard the news report by the news from the news report that some burned notes has been found today itself out of the garbage of the same house of the judge.
No, so, I don't know that, right? So there's another video which is out there today. I'm not publishing it because we have the videos from the court. If
yes,
the court
that's why I'm saying that
publish more videos, more evidence, which I'm hoping they do. Let's do this. If we have set the benchmark of transparency, let's stick with it, because this, I can tell you as a journalist, really helps me, because I can then choose to ignore all of the nonsense and focus on what we can get from official sources. It makes it a lot more cogent, a lot more sincere, because we are also doing this in good faith. We also want to fix the problem, get to the bottom of the matter and move on with life, because there are other things to do. But in the same breath, Mr. Jindal, what do we do next? Because for people who are now going to say that, yeah, it is common practice, ये तो चलता है, then the people will say, हाँ, मेरे ताया जी के चाचे ने मुझे बताया था कि उनके साथ भी ऐसा केस हुआ था, वो तो सब ऐसे खाते हैं, या तो लॉयर भी खाते हैं, कबर्ड खोलो पैसा निकलेगा, ठीक है? This becomes a problem and we have to do something about it. So who does something about it? Do we let some time pass and let this wound cauterize, or do we need to be proactive?
Look, Mr. Gulati, there are several suggestions has been put for judicial reform. It is not only from the judicial officials, they are also from the legal fraternity all over. And the government has also suggested some judicial reform. I think the highest judicial official must accept that judicial reform with a wholehearted and open arm. I think the responsibility, definitely the public must know about the facts, what are going on in the judiciary, but in name of the transparency, there should be some kind of mechanism which we have suggested several times through Justice Law and Justice Department to government, and government has also been suggested some reforms. But again, there are conflict between government and judiciary also.
So there is no answer to this. No, there is no right answer. Okay, it's like defining good and evil. There is no right answer. Okay,
I must say
I work in a fraternity. Okay, finish your thought.
Yes, when I starting saying this, I say specific thing that higher judicial official must with open arm accept the judicial reform, come with the specific things that how their work has been assessed. There are several judgments on which the question has been raised. There should be mechanism. The judgment of the High Court and Supreme Court judges should also be examined. The responsibility would be put upon them if something is wrong.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, there are people who have agendas in this country for intents and purposes far too complicated for us to comprehend.